Hi Disnerds, Lori and Drew here. This video is a full POV ride-through of Test Track at EPCOT at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida.
Be sure to stick around till the end because we're going to walk you through the interactive exhibits at the end of the ride, as well as the Test Track gift shop. And if you're enjoying this video, it would be great if you would
strike that like!
Thank you so much.
Test Track is a high-speed slot car thrill ride located in Future World at EPCOT. The ride is a simulated trip through the testing procedures that General Motors uses to evaluate its concept cars, culminating in a high-speed drive around the exterior of the attraction.
Test Track originally opened in 1999, replacing the World of Motion ride, which closed in 1996. Originally, guests rode in GM test vehicles through a series of assessments that demonstrated how car prototypes were evaluated.
Test Track was remodeled in 2012 and is now sponsored by the Chevrolet brand instead of General Motors as a whole. The ride is now far more interactive, with guests designing their own cars and then taking them through a digital testing ground to see how they perform in various tests. After the ride, guests can see how their car did overall, film a commercial, race their designs, and have a picture taken with their own virtually designed vehicle with a chosen backdrop in the background.
Have you ridden the latest version of Test Track? How did your car perform? Leave a comment below and tell us about it. Now buckle up and enjoy this POV full ride-through of Test Track at EPCOT.
We put up these sneeze guards. It took forever. They're never coming down.
That's efficiency. That's
Fine with this.
Wouldn't use any gas, and it would be like a self-drive, so like you could take a nap while it was driving and you could just ask it where to go.
It would be able to go really fast, and the top would be able to open. It'll have supercharged engine, and flight vehicles on autopilot.
For me, a perfect car would have to have, first and foremost, good driving dynamics. It have to feel good. You have to be able to see what you're doing, feel the power, feel the road.
I like more organic vehicles. That's why I love the 20s and 30s and 40s cars, because they had so much character and they were full, free-flowing forms that
Responsiveness.
We're 7.
We're 7.
I'll be in charge of the arrow. Select your vehicle type. Versatile midsize. For all your shades.
No, wait. How do I erase it?
I think just connect it and then you get to adjust it. That's it.
Okay, I like
Looks
that.
pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Now you can pick your things. Yeah, what kind of engine should we have? Wow, that's a little perfect.
Supercharged.
Cool. Press again to move to the styling phase. Alright. You want style?
Yeah. Okay, a paint.
Hell yeah, paint. Oh yeah. Yeah,
You got 2 minutes if you want to tinker anymore.
I like this.
That looks great.
Wow. Wait, Daddy, look at that movie. Uncle, Auntie, look. Uncle, Daddy. I bet there's so many Batmobiles.
You know, except we didn't design anything so really.
Oh, Jesus. I just want to like crash into everyone now. Ruin their cars.
The seatbelt check is around the corner. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened in your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y
Automated driving technology
dentro del
activated.
vehículo y cuide a los niños.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar. SIM-car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
I got first.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SIM-car for optimal eco-efficiency. Engaging eco-scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact.
I got last. You're random.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test. results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the sim car after you disembark. Please watch your step as you exit, and remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Be sure to check your final performance numbers in our storing area.
That was so fast. To be honest, I'm not surprised I won the tower. You're like one away. That's a really fun coaster.
That was great.
I won 2 of the tests.
I thought you won 3 of them.
What?
I think you won 3 of them.
No, because I didn't win the efficiency or capabilities. No, I did win the capabilities. I won 3.
Yeah.
What's my score? Capability, power.
We scored higher than you guys.
Oh, you can scan your band and see. 206. You're really close to the top design.
Today's top design.
Today is top design.
I feel like that's what I have in my racing game. I just have that car. I'm that little blue one. Oh God. Oh, I see orange. Okay, that was fun. That was really fun. I'm gonna keep going up for the rest of the day now.
That was a good choice, dude. I'm glad you suggested that.
I really thought that it was gonna be less intense, but I was happy that I was inside.
Yeah.
The main thing that I liked about that is it was fun, but I didn't feel in danger of the ride collapsing.
Yeah.
It was inside. Like, if it stopped, the car would just violently stop and we'd be fine. There are so many things.
Yeah. May I loop here?
What?
Yeah, it's all different backgrounds. You can have your photo taken in.
Yeah. Okay. These are real Chevrolets, right?
Totally.
It's the ride sponsor.
Oh, yeah. That's really fun. Did you like it?
I did like it, and I have not ridden that ride since they updated it
Yeah, it's great.
last. So,
What was
I
it
mean,
like? Oh, wait, 1 second. That sounds like a good deal to me.
That does. Seems like a pretty good deal, dude.
Oh, look at the sign here.
Neat.
Okay, so I want to use this as my souvenir. Okay. I think I'm gonna get this. I just want to look.
Okay. Yeah, you do your thing then. This is what vacation?